In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to fix this surface body and turn it into a solid as shown here. So first I'll Control Tab back to this document, and we have an imported surface. Slide this over here, surface imported. It's got some holes in it. So to fix the bottom one, I'm just going to pre-select this edge and tell it to put a planar surface here. Say OK, and now we've filled the bottom hole. With this hole and this hole, we're going to use a filled surface. So I'll select filled surface, and I'll select this edge, and this edge. We'll just look at it from this view first. So right now it has contact. If I change this to tangent, we can see how it changes. And if I change it to curvature, we might see a subtle change. Yeah, you can see a subtle change back here. So what's the difference? Well, let's go back to contact. So contact just creates a surface within the selected boundary and does its best job. When we say tangent, so again we see the change here, it creates a surface within the boundary but maintains the tangency of these edges we're using. And then when we switch to curvature, it now maintains the curvature of the surfaces that the boundary edge is attached to. So I'm going to go back and switch this back to tangent, and we'll accept that. And then we want to do another filled surface up here. So I'll say filled surface. I'm going to right click on this edge and tell it to select the open loop. Make sure it gets all the edges. And this time we'll do the curvature. And we'll say OK. And now we've filled all the surfaces. If I select the right plane and do a section view, it's still just a surface model. Right, we have all the surfaces. I'll say OK. To join them, we knit. So I'll just window select them all. But this time when I knit it, I'm going to turn on the merge entities. And I'm also going to tell it to create a solid if it can. So I'll say OK. And it did. I no longer see surface bodies here. I just see the solid body. And to have a look at that, if I take the right plane and do a section view again, we can now see that it's one solid body.